Welcome, and today we're just reviewing these lovely tires and these awesome wheels as well. So, check it out. Alright, let's make this quick and snappy. So I recently bought these wheels and tires last year and installed them on this XJ build. So that is pretty cool in general, so just saying. So we installed them a year ago. We just basically threw them on that. And this is what they look like after a year of usage. I haven't been driving a whole lot, but I definitely have driven them. I haven't rotated them. That's how much I haven't driven them. But overall, they've actually lasted, so, and it hasn't like started feathering a whole bunch, so I haven't really actually had to rotate them a little bit. I feel like it's probably time to rotate them, but overall, this is what it looks like. So these are the tires, the 33, 1250, 15 Corsair MXTs. And I just got them online. They'll be in the description below if you want to get some for yourself. They are actually really cool tires. I like the tread pattern on them. Nice and thick. It looks good, and it's not like pushed in around it here, and it has a nice good kind of edging to it. So that's pretty cool. And then also these wheels. These are some Pro Comp wheels with the gloss on them. Sorry if they're not as clean as I wanted them to be. And then they have the fake bead around them with the 5-lug, the D window slots. And so overall, they are pretty cool. This whole thing probably was like $1,000, wheel and tire, all 4 of them. So if you want to get that for your Jeep, they are a big improvement, and I really enjoy them. So this is what they look like. They're lasting pretty good, just saying. And so there's no like pock marks or like it's not ripping or nothing. It's all solid, and the rubber is still good, not worn down. The wheels themselves, the gloss is still on it, and the paint is still on it as well. So, and then the bolts are good quality, it looks like, on the outside, and they hold their color pretty good. The wheels do. This one's just dirty from mud, but overall, I like these tires on your XJ. So if you want to put them on any car, they're gonna add a nice aggressive look to your Jeep right here. See that? Looks pretty good and aggressive to me. So overall, that's a year's worth of my use. So I don't know if you can bring that to your guys' lifestyle. But overall, works good in the mud, rocks, snow. Actually, I haven't tried it in a whole bunch of snow. I'm gonna do that this year. So subscribe if you want to see that happen. And yeah, that is the quick synopsis of this. So that's what they look like after a year of use on my Jeep Cherokee. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching. If you want to get them, they're in the description below, the wheels and tires. And subscribe, and I would really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Whoop.